I folded under was pressure. Can I say I digress? You the aggressor. Now y'all say y'all impressed, I'm the successor. I don't need no intervention or one-year lectures. What's so hard to believe? What is the message? Talented and I'm driven like you ain't never seen. And that's why God bless me, you should respect him. You need to mind your business, Helga Pataki. Cause I'ma do something devilish if you at me. I might hit woo for the kudu and get a back piece. You too high off that boo-boo to unpack me. When I arrive on the set, there ain't no holy water. But when I grind my set, make sure to throw me waters. I'ma make it through 27, y'all superstitious. I'ma say jinx on my 28th when you owe me sodas. Y'all been pushing Satan this and Satan that. My fans is yelling, Lee, she rich. You need that pack, looking like I got some things you hate I have. And trust me, baby, God don't play with hate like that. So you gon' be real upset when he pick Cat to be the one up on them charts all over the map. And you could keep on telling yourself it's all in my tats. And you could keep on adding the numbers and doing the math. I see y'all prepping for doomsday, but that ain't San Andreas fault and this ain't a movie. But I know y'all be living life like this is a school play. How red is the rule base? You choking, it's too late. I turn them to blue face. I run on a full tank, can't nobody move, mate. Bitches crying with full face, that's animal cruelty. And I don't need to say it to them, I'ma let the paper talk. Gotta elevate the bar, the world's losing faith cause it's cold.